Now you can say.
So, respected guests on dais and R.P. Singh ji, as per the tradition of Bhutan, the book is wrapped in khadar, and Honorable Limpo will be unwrapping it and then dedicating it. I'm making a request to Honorable Limpo to make his keynote address and bless us with his words of wisdom on this occasion. Honorable Limpo.
A big round of applause. So you are loud and clear.
Including the delegates from India, whoever are associated with this book, I would like to firstly call on and tell you that we are all doing fine here. And those of you who are there also would be doing fine. It's a great opportunity for me as well to grace this occasion where Dr. Ajay and his co-author, his friend, Mr. Pankaj, has authored this book in this time. Particularly, this is a right time. The blockchain or the digital movement of the world is going more stronger and stronger. And blockchain is going to play probably in the future bigger role than what is now. Therefore, this blockchain, a system for creating and maintaining records, informations, and a platform where each and every one of us will be partner and stakeholders. And this also promotes security and transparency, ultimately leading to the good governance. Therefore, it's my sincere wish that blockchain will play a major role in the world, in the countries, neighboring countries, and also in the countries that deal a lot with trading and all other things. It has a big potential to safeguard our properties, money, services, and also be in a very democratic way, in a way that it is very transparent, and it doesn't require huge time to maintain data, informations, and all those kind of things. And also, it empowers everyone, every workers there, every people involved there, so that it is not in the hands of one or two people to change records, data, whatever it is. Therefore, I'm really delighted to release this book authored by Dr. Ajay and Mr. Pankaj. This will definitely give new informations, knowledge, and also at least enlighten our IT enthusiasts or also our newcomers who would like to go into this field. It has a huge potential. It's revolutionary in its own sense, be it from the AI, artificial intelligence side, be it from the cryptocurrencies, be it from anything. Blockchain is in use, big data and blockchain has a huge potential. The blockchain will definitely support, and it is a very good platform that we must focus. I would also like to mention here that blockchain will help our neighboring countries, be it BIMSTEC countries or be it SAARC countries. If we can do our trading using this blockchain technology, I'm sure things will be much, much simpler and smooth. We will get rid of lots of paperwork. We will get rid of lots of unwanted hassles in between trading. It will boost our economy, giving us smooth and fast movement of goods and services, sharing of information among countries beyond borders. Therefore, I see blockchain as a new technology that will empower each countries, that will help each countries, that will make our trade much better in the neighboring countries. Again, it's my pleasure to release this book from Thimphu and to be part of this. And we So Bhutan and Bhutanese are very much excited about these technologies, in new coming technologies, any coding, uncoding, anything. Therefore, releasing this book itself is a knowledge forward. We will share with our friends, and Bhutan also has a huge potential because many of these activities are very energy intensive also, and Bhutan can provide this, at least facilitate this kind of things in future. Therefore, I'm looking forward that many entrepreneurs, startups, many business people, as we go towards data mining, as we go towards using blockchain technologies and appreciate the use of big data, we will be able to play a big role and also allow some of these things to come up in future. With this, at the end, again, I would like to congratulate Dr. Ajay and his co-author for coming up with this book. Both Pankaj and Ajay, as I think, has done a big work in this field. These are relatively new fields, and they have tried to educate us through this, educate our youngsters, educate our people that what really means. Because in the mess of this digital thing, in the mess of this internet, sometimes things are not uncontrollable. And many countries find it very difficult because of cybersecurity issues and because of lot other issues, because these are up on the cloud and anyone can use, and how they will use is very, very important. We're not able to trust how these things will be used. That is why it's important we make people understand, and the effort of Dr. Ajay and Pankaj to educate our newer generations, to educate our people on blockchain technologies, highly appreciated, timely, and thank you for giving this. Thank you. See you all again.